Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix voice mod issue in Roblox. So all you need to do is open the settings and then check the voice, the input and output, the voices. Make sure the input is something for voice mode, and also in your computer you need to check the system, open system settings and then sound, and then go to advanced sound option, and then for voice mode you need to choose dummy output voice mode and choose microphone voice mode, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.